Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to remove this handle, and this is your door lock where your key goes in. If you needed to change this because it was worn out, or if you were changing from another door or whatnot, you need just this piece to hopefully keep the same key that will unlock and start your car. So first you're going to open it up. And we've already removed the door panel on the inside, so when we need some access there, that's been removed. But to just do the door lock piece, you don't need to remove the actual door. There's generally a cover here. It's not here, so this is a T30. And you just loosen this. Just go ahead and loosen it all the way. It's not going to fall out. It's got a channel there once it's loosened all the way. Then you're just going to pull the handle a little bit. And just pull this straight out. This is the whole door lock handle mechanism. And then if you get a new one, you're just going to go in the reverse order. Just press it in there, and then you would tighten that screw completely up. But we're going to go over how you remove the rest of this handle. So to remove the rest of the handle, you're just going to pull it. Just going to open it, pull it to that side, and then that way it all comes off. So the handle, if it's just the handle, or if you need to replace any of this plastic piece in here, the back portion of the handle. So we're going to go ahead and unclip this electric here and just kind of pull it to the side. Then we're going to take this, enough to keep it out of our way, and then in there is a Torx. So we got to just loosen up a little bit. It'd be the T30 to be able to get the rest of the handle mechanism off. And then over here, you're going to reach your hand up in the hole, and there's a little plastic clip to be able to get the release. See, that's the little clip that we undid. So just pop it off, and that's how you remove this whole plastic piece, due to if you needed to replace. Generally, this is going to be the piece right here that breaks when you try to open the door and you pull on it too hard. This little plastic piece right here is going to break down here, and then that's why you would go ahead to the procedure to be able to replace all of this. So then when you get a new one, you put it back in, the same procedure, just in reverse. But you're going to take it, and remember this bolt here, it's just a little loose. It's going to slide up into the outside. Everything's lined up. You'll see we've got everything lined up out here in the groove and where it's supposed to be. And this is the back side of that bolt. And so I'm just going to tighten that up, and then this will be tightened into place, and then we can put the handle back on. Right, that's on good and snug. Then got our little insulator covers here. They'll just snap back into place. There you go. And then that one, and then you've got your handle. If you needed to just replace just this handle, you just have to take out that door lock piece and then just remove the handle. If there's nothing else to be replaced, then you don't have to take that all off. But if you do, we have the process. Then you just put the handle in, push it to that side. Yep, everything works. And then you would go ahead and put this door lock piece back in. Put your door lock piece back in, tighten this T30 up. And that's how you replace door lock and handle, all of it, outside and inside, on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be a mechanic.